Here you go, ladies. A nice pizza for the three of y'all. Especially the one with the blue hair. Oh, thank you. Okay, ladies. Time for a success party. Yay! My hair! Pepperonis everywhere. Yeah, I'm gonna get that hedgehog. I think that's a beaver. Shut up, Elizabeth. Hey, Silver. Hey, I tried to drive to work today. I didn't know you had a car. Yeah, I drove your car today. Wait, you did what? Look. Ah, my car. Yeah, you're welcome. I tried to make it go inside Pizza Hut so you can go inside your car easier without just doing all that hard stuff like going outside and, you know, all that stupid stuff. Don't say anything to him. Don't say anything to him. Remember your anger management classes. I'm just cooking. I'm just cooking. Hey, Sonic. Yes? Can I speak to you for a second? Nothing personal. Okay, boss. I'm not your boss here. But, you know, like I said, I'm the assistant manager. That's kinda like it. But, you know, but I gotta tell you some few words while holding your paper. Now, I'm gonna throw it at you in a second. Yeah? You're fired! You're fired! You're fired! You didn't have to say it 3 times. Well, scab! What? Scab! Well done. You have did a nice job. This calls for a pizza. Oh yeah. And yeah, one more thing, Silver. Yeah? I knew I was gonna get fired, so here's a present. Just to you and me. Oh, thank you, Sonic. Okay, bye. Shh. What's with the wind? Well, this looks like a pizza box. Oh, I better go open it. Well, time to rebuild Pizza Hut. Buy scrap! That's it, Sonic. I had it with you, and now you're going to die. After all these years, you is about to die off of my gun. I shined it this morning so I can kill you. I hope you're playing. I'm not. This is a serious face. After all those embarrassments, this is it. Yeah, show me what you got, Shadow. 2, 1. I actually wanted some cheese pizza in my life, and I never ate it. And I actually thank you. You are the worst friend ever. We never agreed. Well, close best friends ever. We're not even close to best friends. Don't call it close. That's it for you, Shadow and him. Tails, get out of here. What? I'm actually teaming up with you. One more word. I'm not cleaning this up.